In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Indeed profile link. Sharing your Indeed profile can be a crucial step when you're job hunting or networking. By providing a direct link to your profile, you allow potential employers or collaborators to access a snapshot of your professional experience and skills. Let's walk through the process step by step to make sure you can easily share your profile and make a great impression. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Indeed dashboard. Once there, you'll see various options that provide an overview of your account, from saved jobs to applications. But what we're focused on today is your profile, which serves as a comprehensive showcase of your resume details. So, find your Profile tab on the dashboard and click on it. After clicking on your profile, the next area to head to is your resume. On your Indeed platform, your resume is a vital component of your profile, allowing employers to see your qualifications at a glance. So, go ahead and click on the resume option. This will bring up all the details that are included in your resume, from your work history to education, skills, and any certifications you may have. Now here's where it gets interactive. On the screen displaying your resume, you will notice an ellipses icon. This icon usually looks like three small dots and is often used for additional options or settings on many platforms, including Indeed. Once you click on these ellipses, a small menu will appear with options related to your resume management. Within this menu, look for the option that allows you to share a link to your Indeed resume. It's specifically designed for easy sharing. When you select this option, Indeed will generate a unique link that can be copied and shared with anyone you wish. This link is your key to easily letting others see your professional history and qualifications without needing to print or email separate documents. Remember to consider the privacy settings of your Indeed resume. You may have the option to ensure your resume is visible only to employers or completely public. This decision can impact who can view your resume once it's shared. It's always a good idea to be aware of who might access your information and ensure you're comfortable with these settings before you share. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Indeed profile link. This link can now be included in emails, your LinkedIn profile, or anywhere else prospective employers might look. This simplifies the process for those you are trying to impress by providing one more convenient way for them to assess your fit for their opportunities. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for joining me and best of luck in your job search or networking endeavors.